Hello Year 3 and welcome to our Flick classroom, and today we're going to be looking at equivalent lengths. So what do I mean by the word equivalent? So you can see here we've got two different bars, the blue one and the orange one. By equivalent length, the word equivalent means equal. So if I was to put them on top of each other, they can see they can fit right on one another, meaning they are equal. So when we're looking at lengths, we can do these in different ways. Equivalent length is where we're going to be looking at centimetres and metres. These are two different measurements, but they can be made equivalent. So you can see this first bar here, my blue bar. I am going to label this as 1 metre. So here is my bar, that is 1 metre. My orange bar is exactly the same length. It is equal to my blue bar. But I'm going to measure this in centimetres. So when we speak about centimetres to metres, or metres to centimetres, the way we do this is if we've got a metre, we are going to multiply that by 100 to get our answer. That's converting metres into centimetres. So 1 multiplied by 100 gives me 100. And that would be my centimetres. Now to convert your centimetres down to metres, we have to do the inverse. So what I mean by this is that we are going to divide. I'm going to divide my 100 by 100, which would leave me with 1 metre. Okay, so knowing that, I have got my bars here. Oh, it's not what I was meant to do. There we go. I've got my bars. Now, we're going to work through a problem together. Now, my blue bar, I am going to say one section of my blue bar is equal to 1 metre. So, how many metres would this bar be all together? So I can see that my bar has been split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So my bar is 5 metres long. Okay, so we know that my bar is 5 metres long. We want to now know how large my purple bar is in centimetres. So our first step for this is to multiply by 100, because there are 100 centimetres in 1 metre. So we're going to multiply by 100. which would make my whole bar overall. So 5 multiplied by 100 leaves me with 500 centimetres. But what if I wanted to know just what one section of my bar is? So I want to look at this bar. So I'm going to highlight this orange because that's the one we're going to be looking at. So I know my overall bar is 500 centimetres and my bar is split into 5 sections. So I've got to see how many I've got to divide by my 500 by 5. Now that sounds like a lot, but we've already worked out and we already know what one section of our large bar equals. So we can just use the same technique as we've done before and multiply it by 100. So I'm going to draw my arrow. 1 multiplied by 100 leaves me with 100. So we can say that first bar is 100 centimetres. We can check that by counting in 100s to see if our bar makes 500. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So that is equivalent fractions. I hope, not equivalent fractions, that's what we're doing next term. That is equivalent length. I hope you guys have understood and enjoyed. And remember, multiply by 100 to turn meters to centimeters, divide by 100 to turn centimeters to meters. Now let me know what mistake I made in this video, and I revealed what topic we're doing next. And I hope to see you all soon. Have a lovely rest of your day.